Okay. This whole thing, by the way, usually like nice glass bottles have like a good ring to it. They haven't been ringing lately. Anyway. Starting off with a cough. Alright. Should probably just redo the video, but we're going to keep going. Here we go. Melinda's. So I'm very excited about this one. This is Melinda's original Habanero Mango. Alright, I'm hoping this thing's packed full of mango goodness. I love Melinda's. Melinda's is cheap. This is like $3. They're available everywhere. They have a million different flavors. Melinda's. Very good grocery store hot sauce. Cheap, available, and tasty, right? Alright, so ingredients. Mango pulp, #1. I'm hoping it tastes like mango. I'm really hoping. Water, sugar, carrots, white vinegar, lime juice, habanero pepper mash, tomato paste, white onion, absorbic acid, salt, xanthan gum, and citric acid. Citric acid. Alright, here we go. Let's cut into this guy. Get off our wrapper. Make sure we are shaking up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Alright. Please don't let me down. The mango sounds so good, doesn't it? Alright. Be tropical. Oh, we got a little dropper. Let's take the dropper off. We need that. I like the option. These pop off pretty easy. So if you do want to have a couple little drops, you can do that. Oh, I got some on my finger. Smelling mango. Smelling fruity. Alright. Can't really taste it, so that's good because it wasn't really cheating. Alright, can my spoon fit? No. Yeah, it's, ooh, you know what's weird? I smell the mango for sure. It really is up front. I smell the carrots. I definitely smell mango and carrots. That does not seem like something you'd want together. We'll see. We'll see in a second here. Alright. It's a thick boy, which I like. Whoa, that's a lot. Don't spill. Okay, here we go. Interesting. That texture is really interesting. It's like almost like if you just pureed mango, it's kind of like, excuse me. So calling back in my throat. Mango puree. It's almost like I want to say slimy, but that doesn't sound good. That sounds very off-putting. It's not. It has that like fruit pulp texture. I don't know. It's definitely legit mango. The flavor's good though. It's not too sweet. I was worried about it being a little sweet because that would definitely limit what I would want it on. Let's try another little spoonful. I'm going for the bottle. Alright. Heat level's pretty low on this. I could drink this. I could drink this. This tastes like a fruit, not milkshake, what am I thinking of? A fruit smoothie. It tastes like a spicy fruit smoothie. Interesting. All right, see how it's on the neck there? Let's get a good gulp here. That is good. Okay. It's very interesting. This is not going to work with this texture. You're going to get a good workout trying to get it out of that little hole there. This is great. It's an interesting sauce because this is adding mostly flavor and very little heat. The habaneros are hot, but they went light on it. It's mostly that mango. I don't taste the carrot, which is a good thing. I didn't want to taste the carrot. I smelled it. This is interesting. I don't know what kind of food. I just kind of want to have it straight. You know, this would be good on. Don't laugh. Don't knock it till you try it. A good fruity hot sauce is very good on vanilla ice cream. I'm telling you, try that sometime. You get the cold, sweet ice cream, right? And you got to go vanilla because you don't want to do funky flavors and stuff. Like you wouldn't put on Rocky Road. That'd just be gross. Nice straight, like a really good high quality vanilla ice cream. You have a little bit of the heat coming in the background, but the coolness of the ice cream, the flavor, that mango flavor. And by the way, when you pour it on there, the cold ice cream is going to make this even thicker. Maybe even like a chewy, like caramel type thing. I might have to try that in the future, but I'm trying to think like would I want this on like a taco, or, you know, throw it, you know, in on top of eggs or something. Not eggs. Again, it's sweet. So maybe like a taco or some kind of Mexican cuisine. Not like white people taco night, like other stuff, you know. Maybe a couple dashes on an enchilada or something. That's so fascinating. That's worth trying, and it's cheap. I like it a lot. It's just weird because it's so, like, it's this much hot sauce, like little bit of hot sauce, and like a delicious fruit additive. I don't even know what you'd put it on. This might be nice on, like, if you cut up fruit, like you cut up some, you know, some grapes, an apple, or whatever, make like a fruit salad type thing. This could be like your sauce and have like a little bit of a spicy fruit salad. That'd be interesting. Maybe a tiny bit in yogurt. If you had, I'd like to try that. Hot sauce and yogurt, you would never think, right? But something like this, it's so versatile because it's weird, it's sweet, it's fruity. I would love to try that. Just some vanilla Greek yogurt, some of this. I don't know if I use granola in that or just have just the yogurt. Maybe some fresh fruit. Some like, well, we'll go with the mango. I was going to say some like blueberries or something, but I don't know. The sky's the limit. But yeah, it's one of those weird hot sauces, but I dig it. It's a big thumbs up. Very, very cool. I love Melinda's, man. I'm glad I tried this. Never had this before, so 2 thumbs up. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've had this before and what you would put sweet hot sauce on. This reminds me years ago when I was doing all the hot sauce videos at once, way back. I was pumping them out. I had hundreds of hot sauces. There was a blueberry hot sauce. I do not remember the name of it. But it was blueberry hot sauce, and it was to die for. And I put it on ice cream. It was the most amazing thing ever. It was such a strong blueberry puree flavor. Damn, that was so good. I have to look back at my own videos and find that. But yeah, it was good stuff. And this reminds me of that, but in a mango form. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video.